Chris from the Barbecue Shack. Today we're going to go through the Napoleon Rogue XT365. Okay, at the Barbecue Shack, we're not well known for our gas grills, mainly because we deal with wood pellet and charcoal. However, when we do have gas grills in stock and on display, we do it properly. So we've got the Napoleon here, comes with a 15-year warranty, and there's a few other features that we're going to go through today. Okay, starting down here. Behind the door, we've got a perfect place for the gas cylinder. As you can see, it also comes with a gas regulator and hose. You've got 4 independent casters, which make it really easy to maneuver. But more importantly, because the gas cylinder is within the grill itself, when you're moving it, you're moving just the grill, not the grill and the gas cylinder. Okay, moving on to the side shelves, nothing too special. It does fold down, which means it can be a bit of a space saver for those that have got a smaller garden. More importantly, this one can fold down. There is a bit of a lock to undo, but nonetheless, that makes it really, really small and easy to maneuver. Okay, sticking on this side. This is a lovely feature of this grill. This is called the sizzle zone. This gets extremely hot. This is your steak searing station. Try and say that 3 times fast. The idea is you can finish any big bits of meat that you want to sear off and keep all those juices inside. It is very easy to clean as well. There is a nice little grease catcher at the back which catches all the drippings. But nonetheless, as I said, this is a fantastic feature for this particular grill, part of the reason why we chose this one. Okay, now to talk about the main chamber itself. So the most important and nice feature about this is its cast iron cooking grates. Cast iron holds its heat really, really well. It also spreads the heat really well, so it means that the entire cooking area can be used rather than just the bit over the gas burners. We've also got a nice warming rack up here, which means once you've finished cooking what you're cooking, you can put it up here, keeps it warm while everything else finishes off. A few more nice features on this particular grill. You've got the AccuProbe temperature gauge. This is Napoleon's top of the range temperature gauge, by far away their most accurate one. We then go on to the internals. Bits like these are dishwasher proof. Naturally, these are going to get dirty and everything's got to be as convenient as possible these days, so these can go straight in the dishwasher. Another nice thing, the grill itself is stainless steel, so for those that live by the sea, it's low maintenance and you're going to get less likely for it to rust out. One nice piece, a grease pot. It's designed to take a tinfoil tray, which again makes it really easy and convenient to clean out. Right, the next bit I never really like talking about, only because videos last a long time and prices don't. At the moment, this particular grill retails at $849. We've also got an offer going on this grill at the moment, which feature all these accessories. The first one, I wouldn't say it's the boring one, probably the most essential of all of them, is a cover. Again, just keeps that grill easy to maintain. Next piece, a large spatula. Relatively obvious. Again, everyone's going to need a new tool to go with their new grill. We've then got a rib rack. Ribs are becoming more and more popular. This is designed obviously to take a lot of ribs so you can feed a lot of people with one cook. A really nice feature that they've brought out for this grill is the Healthy Choice Starter Kits. It's meant to make it a lot easier for you to cook things like fish, kebabs, and any of the bits that could easily drop down like your veg. So this is really well suited for this type of grill, just due to the dimensions and the way it all fits together. Finally, the Sizzle Zone shield and skewer set. Again, measured out perfectly to fit over the sizzle zone, so you can do more than just sear your steaks or sear your big bits of joints that you want to try and keep your juices in. The windshield, again, makes it really nice and easy for people that have got out in the open, out in the elements. And as I said, the skewers means that you can start cooking bits on this side as well as using your main chamber and get more out of your grill. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video on the Napoleon Rogue XT. As I said earlier, at the moment this is $849 with all the accessories. We do offer a build and deliver service within the Devon area. If you'd like that service, please get in touch and we can discuss it from there. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe. It does do wonders for the channel. If you're not in the area, please go on our website where you can see our range of products. If you more importantly are in the southwest of England, please call in where you can see the rest of our gas grills, Kamados, smokers,